It's like so windy. Y'all see these dang on thugs? I'm talking about the birds attacking innocent minds. They just cover over there. They are such thugs. We finally made it. Ooh, it feels so good. Yup. Ooh, it feels so good. She crazy. YOLO? Huh? Yeah. Well, shower. I haven't seen one because there wasn't one at the main entrance. So I don't think they have one. And I can't use my towel because I put it on. Do I have a 10? Okay. Okay. I'm sitting up here. I'm becoming one with the ocean. It was so peaceful. Like, I wish that I stayed closer to a beach. Like, it is so peaceful. And I ain't talking about them little man-made beaches that's in Indiana. I want real ocean, salt water with waves. Here makes me want to like reflect on life. Like, I'm trying to be on this spiritual journey where I'm like, I feel like I'm not on like my highest potential. Like, I'm not living to my highest potential. So yeah, being out here just makes you want to think and just like evaluate your life. But it's like peaceful. I love the ocean, like the waves, all of that. It just makes you think. It really makes you think. I'm already spiritual. I already go to church. You know, I believe in the Lord and all of that. I think I need to be like on a spiritual self journey, because I feel like once you become more connected with, you know, the Lord or whoever you believe in, I feel like you get guidance on like your purpose and like your purpose for life. So I think that's what I'm about to start. Like, I don't think just going to church, listening to the word, reading like Bible apps, I don't think that is good enough. I think I really need to, like, probably, like my job offers, I don't think it necessarily needs to be like a therapist either. Like maybe like a life coach, or do they have like spiritual coaches? I don't know. I'm gonna look into it. Walked our booties out of there at 11. We were told it was only supposed to.
That's an hour and a half, friend.
No, it's not.
That is not an hour and a half.
Yeah, 9:30. He said he didn't clock us until 9:30.
Because I asked him, I was like, was that part of the 90 minutes? He was like, you got somewhere to be?
No, he said he didn't clock us until 9:30.
He told me he didn't start the time until after we got done eating. Take us an hour to eat.
I know. Yeah. He said he didn't clock us. When we was walking, he said, she already said that y'all don't want to buy, but they started y'all time at 9:30. So I'm not going to use the golf cart because that'll make the tour fast. So we're just going to walk so we can blow some time. And that was at 10. And we we needed a whole hour. Oh Lord.
Yeah, you know we got back to the table at 10:27.
Yeah. Oh Lord.
But still shorter than what we did in the DR.
How long was the one in DR? It was like multiple days though. Like they kept coming. They was outside our room and everything. We was like, no. They was harassing us. No. Now let's go to SeaWorld. We made it! SeaWorld! Somebody do the dolphin sound.
You stupid. Wait, did you record that?
I did. I did. And I'm not cutting it out either.
Chanel's like, let's look at you.
Oh, octopus. Where is the octopus? I don't see no octopus. I'm asking you. You said it. Where? An octopus? Ain't no octopus in here.
Are you quite a bit more on the challenge required for space?
Y'all, it is hot. I don't see how you Floridians, I don't see how y'all function. This is devil weather. It is hot. Look, what's the temperature? It is 88, but feels like 92. We're out here in Sesame Street World. Oh, y'all can't see the sign. Was it a sign? It was a sign.
Anthony, I'm your flight leader on today's flight. I'm assisted by 3 other Boston-based flight attendants. We're excited to have you on board. We do look forward to serving you. Before we depart, we ask that you...
We back to leave. I can't wait to get home to my baby. Can y'all hear me? I don't think y'all can hear me.
Now is the time to make up.
But it's 12:04. I'm supposed to be somewhere hovering over Indiana right now. but we stuck in Atlanta. I'm not gonna speak that. We're not stuck, but we stuck. I'll be back when it's safe to talk without my mask. Y'all, let me tell y'all what happened. So we get to the airport. We had a layover in Atlanta. And we had a layover in Atlanta. We were supposed to take off at 12. We were supposed to take off at like 12:15 or 12:22 or something like that. And then they pushed the flight back to 12:45. So then we start boarding, and at like 12 when I mean midnight. Then we start boarding, and we all get on the plane, and it's not raining on the ground, but the pilot just kept saying, oh, Hurricane is like coming towards Atlanta, and so I have to wait for approval before I'm allowed to take off. So we were literally on the plane waiting for his approval to take off for like 30 minutes to almost an hour. That is horrible. That had to come overnight. So we was waiting for his approval to take off for 30 minutes to an hour, like in between that time frame. So then he gets on the mic and he was just like, I got good and horrible news. He was just like, well, the good news is I got approval to take off from my supervisor just now, but the horrible news is with pilots we're only allowed to fly for 8 hours, so we're not able to take off. Sir, you knew that when you were late. Like y'all management just was so horrible, Delta. Like, I am pissed off, okay? Pissed off. Like, you knew that when you pushed our flight back from 12:15 or whatever to 12:45, you knew that when you had us sitting for an hour, like, our flight was not an hour flight, so you knew that you did not have any more time left. So like, why would you have us board? Like, I'm so mad. Like, you really had us board. And then they try to give us, so the first round they tried to give us a hotel at Motel 6, and then was gonna have us try to pay for it. And then they called us back and they was just like, well, we can give you one room. It's 4 of us. We can give you one room at the Hyatt or whatever. My Delta, like, this is my first time flying Delta, and if this is how they are, I ain't ever flying again. Like, I always see like horror stories, Delta lose my luggage, or Delta did this, Delta did that, and I'm always like, I always fly Southwest, so I never have these issues with Southwest ever. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, got something out of it. You know, if you're a family person, then you will love Orlando, but it just wasn't for me. Okay, and I miss my baby. Say hi, Ethel. Hi, Ethel. Hi, mommy miss you. Hi, mommy miss him. Yeah, we about to go. Bye, y'all.